Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin Taylor and here I do makeup tutorial reviews and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Then let's get right into this video. Oh my gosh, if you're so annoyed with me right now, like, just subscribe. I'm not annoying all the time. So this company sent me perfume and you can choose which perfume you want. I think I chose Fendi and I chose Dior because, you know, I just wanted to... It's a subscription-based company that they send you perfume, and this is called, it's called ScentBox. And I know there are a lot of different subscription-based companies that do like perfume and stuff, but this one is really, really cheap. They're having a promotion right now where it's, I believe, like $9 a month. Let's see, girl. But hold on, please listen to this elevator music while I'm looking for the site. So I got the Fendi and I got the Dior. I chose two different ones, but to be honest, girls, 5 sprays a day will last you an entire month for one of these. And this is honestly like cute as... Oh my gosh, let me tell you, right? This smells literally so good. You know when you're used to like Victoria's Secret scents and like Bath and Body Works scents and you're like, oh, I smell cute, but this bitch, I be feeling expensive. Like, I be driving my mom's car and I be wearing this and I'm like with my Bluetooth and stuff, driving, thinking I'm all expensive, but I really love the Fendi and the Dior. They smell so good. I'm so glad I chose these two because I'm really particular about scents. You get your first box for $9.75. I honestly love the fact that they're this tiny because then you can travel with it, and it's a good thing because maybe you don't want to, you want to try different scents but you don't want to spend so much money. $9.75 for your first box, and then you pay $15 a month. That's not bad, not for perfume, and you actually get a lot of product in there. Let's take this out. So this is how much that comes in, and I think I only sprayed this like twice and it's still like low-key full. 0.3 fluid ounces, so that's not bad, especially for perfume. It smells so good. At least try it once for like $9.75. That's not bad, and if you like it, obviously, like, get some more because it's really good, especially when you're going on dates and stuff. What are the corners? I think the corners is your wrist, I think the back of your neck right here. I put it behind my knees, and then I put it in my boobies too because then when it gets hot you get to smell it. Let me see if I can see. I really suggest you guys get the Fendi or the Dior. It smells really, really, really good. I'll leave the link to their website down below. Make sure you guys go check that out. And they are having a sale, so your first box will be $9.75. So why not try it? And if you don't like it, then unsubscribe. But I definitely think you guys should at least try it once. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, the link is down below, so make sure you guys go check these out. And comment down below if you're gonna buy either the Fendi one or the Dior one. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I was gonna get my oil changed and I just look like that bitch, you know what I mean? I just smelled like that bitch. I took my mom to the doctor's office and I was that bitch. Like, I was just rolling, purple wig and all. That bitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye. The world was ours.